What's going on, guys? Ethan from Think Like a Jew here, the show where we teach you how to be smart with your money and really think like a Jew. We've got a lot on our plate today, but before we get to that, I want to take this time to remind you that Webull's limited time offer to get 4 free stocks for signing up is running out soon. If you don't know what Webull is, it's a commission-free trading site where you can access it anytime you have an internet connection, whether it's on your phone, Apple Watch, or laptop. It doesn't matter, you'll have access to Webull. They have easily the best analytics and graphs, the sleekest user interface, and the greatest reliability out of all the online commission-free trading apps. If you've been thinking about getting into trading at all, now is the best time to get into it. Not only because you have compound interest on your side, but because you have this great 4-stock offering from Webull. Yes, I said 4 stocks. We're just signing up and depositing 100 of your own dollars to invest into the market, which is most likely going to make you money anyway if you do the correct research. You can win up to $3,800 from those 4 stocks that you get from Webull, including Facebook, Google, and Microsoft stocks that you can all learn. Honestly, it's a great deal. I don't understand why anybody wouldn't take it, because if you think about it, you put $100 into the market and you have a minimum, I don't know, $12 return. So that's an instant 12% return on $100, which is over the yearly return in the stock market. So you guys better hop on this quick. But with that all out of the way, let's hop right into the video. Banks. They're rich, they're massive, they're scary, and they're filled to the brim with financial bureaucracy. But at some point in our lives, we all gotta deal with them. In my opinion, the earlier that you're able to dip your toe into the banking industry, the earlier you're going to be able to figure out how to use the banking industry to your benefit. That's why I decided to make this video next, because I decided that teens need to be able to figure out how to manage their own money and build their financial skills for the future. Having a bank account of your own is a life skill, as well as a responsibility that you carry with you for the rest of your life. It teaches you how to manage your money and the importance of a dollar. And as a teen, you can always use this account to save for future purchases like college, a car, or pursuing whatever you want to do after high school. Now, before I get into taking you to the steps on how to create this bank account, I do want to preface this by saying that you will need somebody 18 years or older to co-sign for you. It would preferably be a parent or guardian, because obviously banks don't want to open accounts for just random people walking in with random 18-year-olds. You do need somebody to co-sign for you on this account. Once you've found the adult to co-sign on your account, the next step is to choose the correct account type for what you need. The first one's called a custodial account, and chances are if you clicked on this video as a teen just trying to get a bank account set up so they can spend some money, it's probably not for you. This type of account gives the co-signer that you went with to the bank complete control over your account until you're 18 years old. Although this account limits the access to your own money, it can be beneficial if you're that type of person who's going to go out every weekend, buy some booze, buy a fancy car, buy anything like that that might not actually be the smartest way to use your money. This might be the account for you. Along with not being able to reach your money, you're also not going to be able to learn any of those important money management skills that you need to succeed in life. So I would honestly not recommend this account for anybody out there unless you're not trustworthy with your money. If you're a teen and want to start saving for your education, I would look into a tax-deferred plan such as an ESA or a Plan 529 to put all your savings into, so you get a little bit more bang for your buck when saving for your education. But keep in mind that this money can only be used on your education. The second account is probably what you came to this video to learn about. It's called a joint account, and it's basically you and the cosigner have access to your funds. Both you and the cosigner can withdraw, deposit, and do basically anything you want with the account unless your specific bank has specific permissions set on your account. This is the recommended type of account because you're able to manage your own funds but still under the eye of a financially savvy adult. After choosing your account type, the next step is to choose your bank. Like I said before, depending on your bank, you may have certain limitations on your joint account. What is most important to a teen, however, is that there is no upkeep fees and there is no minimum balance. This is because as a teen, I know how hard it is to get money, and you're not going to have a lot of it at one time. Some bank accounts require $100 to start them up, and then if you go below that $100, then you have to pay a fee. That's not something that you want, so you want something with no minimum balance. That would be tying up a lot of a teen's net worth at the time, and upkeep fees would only slowly chip away at the small amount of money that you already have. And those are the two most important factors in a teen bank account. I personally have a student account at Bank of America right now. When you go there, make sure you apply for the Advantage Safe Balance Banking. It comes with a checking account and an optional savings account. They also have no upkeep fees or minimum balance, and they have a really easy to use app. There's a lot of banks out there though, and Bank of America might not be the fit for you, so make sure you do your own research. You don't want to just take your advice from some random Jew online. After creating an account, you're all ready to begin banking. I mean, you just have to wait 2 or 3 days to get your debit card in the mail, and then you're one step closer to having that Jew mentality. You got your bank account. You can go check out our other video, whichever side it's on right now, or if it's even on the screen right now, for how to set up a stock account as a teen, so you could link this bank account to the stock market and you can get your money working for you. And that's the whole point of this channel. But with that, guys, I think we're gonna end it here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like down below so we can reach even more future millionaires, and comment down below any financial questions that you guys have. I'm still looking for video ideas, always on the prowl for them, and I love talking to you guys in the comments if you guys would comment, because you know, last video got no comment. But anyways, I'd love to make a topic on anything you guys want to hear. With all that said, I've been Ethan. This has been Think Like a Jew. Have a wonderful day and go make some damn money.